I want you to look down for a moment. Look at your feet. These two anatomical marvels have carried you every single day of your life. They have walked thousands of miles, supported your weight, danced at weddings, and marched through decades of work. Yet be honest with me. Are they the most neglected part of your body? For many people over the age of 50, feet become a source of silent suffering. We hide them in socks because of yellowing nails. We limp because of painful calluses that feel like stones in our shoes. We deal with swelling, cracked heels, and persistent odors that make us feel self-conscious. We are told that to fix these problems, we need expensive pedicures, pharmaceutical creams, or laser treatments. But what if the most powerful tool for foot health isn't in a medical clinic, but in a small orange box in your kitchen cabinet? What if a white powder that costs pennies could do the work of 7 different expensive products? I am talking about sodium bicarbonate, good old-fashioned baking soda. In this video, I am going to put on my white coat and explain the science behind why this simple ingredient is a podiatry powerhouse, and I will teach you 7 professional-grade tricks to transform your feet from painful and tired to soft, healthy, and beautiful. To understand why baking soda works so well for the feet, we have to talk about chemistry. Your skin has a natural pH, and when that pH gets thrown off balance, by sweat, bacteria, or closed shoes, problems start. Baking soda is alkaline. This means it has the unique ability to neutralize acids. Why does this matter for your feet? Because the bad smell is caused by acidic byproducts of bacteria. The fungus that eats your nails thrives in an acidic environment. By introducing alkalinity, you are creating an environment where these pathogens struggle to survive. Furthermore, baking soda is a mild abrasive. Its crystalline structure is hard enough to remove dead skin cells, calluses, but gentle enough not to damage the healthy tissue underneath. It is quite literally the perfect tool for the tough skin of the feet. Trick number 1. The zero-gravity deswelling soak. Let's start with the most common complaint I hear. Doctor, my feet feel heavy and swollen at the end of the day. This is often due to fluid retention and poor circulation. For this, we use the zero-gravity soak. You will need a basin of warm water. Add half a cup of baking soda, and this is the secret addition, half a cup of Epsom salts, magnesium sulfate. The science here is osmosis. The mineral-rich water helps to draw excess fluids out of the tissues, reducing swelling. The baking soda softens the skin, preparing it for treatment. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. You will feel the heaviness literally drain away, leaving your feet feeling light and refreshed. Trick number 2. The Velvet Heel Exfoliating Paste. As we age, the fatty pads on our heels thin out, and the skin becomes dry and prone to cracking. These cracks can be deep, painful, and even prone to infection. Forget the cheese grater tools that can damage your skin. Make a velvet heel paste. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. You want a thick, spreadable consistency. Rub this paste vigorously onto your heels and the balls of your feet in a circular motion. The baking soda crystals act as a microdermabrasion tool, physically buffing away the dead keratin cells. For an extra boost, replace the water with olive oil or coconut oil. This way, you are exfoliating and moisturizing simultaneously. Rinse, and your feet will feel like new skin. Trick number 3. The Shoe Rescue Deodorizer. Sometimes, the problem isn't your feet, it's the environment they live in. Shoes are dark, damp, and warm, the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. If you put clean feet into dirty shoes, you are reinfecting yourself every day. Stop buying expensive sprays. Simply sprinkle a generous tablespoon of dry baking soda into each shoe at night. Shake it around so it covers the insole. Leave it overnight. The baking soda acts as a desiccant, absorbing the moisture that bacteria need to grow, and as a deodorizer, chemically neutralizing the acidic compounds that cause the cheesy smell. In the morning, just tap the powder out into the trash. You are stepping into a sterile, fresh environment. Trick number 4. The Fungus Fighter Nail Treatment. Nail fungus onychomycosis is stubborn and unsightly. While severe cases need medical attention, Baking soda can be a powerful adjunct therapy because fungus hates alkalinity. Create a targeted paste using baking soda and warm water. Apply this thick paste directly over the affected toenails and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. For a more potent version, you can mix the baking soda with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. It will fizz, which is normal. The vinegar fights the fungus with acidity, and then the baking soda balances the pH afterwards. Doing this daily creates a hostile environment for the fungus, preventing it from spreading. Trick number 5. The yellow stain eraser. Years of wearing nail polish, or just natural aging can leave toenails looking yellow and dull. To restore their natural brightness without harsh chemicals, use baking soda as a whitening agent. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of fresh lemon juice and a drop of hydrogen peroxide. Use an old toothbrush to scrub this mixture gently onto your toenails. Leave it on for 5 minutes, then rinse. The chemical reaction helps to lift surface stains from the keratin of the nail, revealing a whiter, cleaner appearance instantly. Trick number 6. The itch relief compress. Elderly skin on the feet and ankles can often get dry, itchy, and irritated, a condition sometimes called xerosis or stasis dermatitis. Scratching can lead to wounds. Baking soda is naturally antipruritic, anti-itch. If you have an itchy patch or a bug bite on your ankle, don't scratch. Mix a little baking soda with water to make a runny paste, and apply it like a mask over the itchy area. As it dries, it draws out irritants and calms the nerve endings in the skin, providing immediate relief without the need for steroid creams. Trick number 7. The ingrown toenail softener. An ingrown toenail can be excruciating. While you should never perform bathroom surgery to cut it out yourself, leave that to a podiatrist. Baking soda can help relieve the pain and pressure while you wait for an appointment. Soak the foot in a warm baking soda bath, 2 tablespoons per liter of water. The baking soda helps to soften the hard skin around the nail, making it more pliable and reducing the pressure of the nail digging into the flesh. It also helps to keep the area clean and reduces the risk of infection in the tender skin. Conclusion. You see, caring for your feet doesn't require a fortune or a spa membership. It requires consistency and a little bit of chemical knowledge. By using the humble baking soda, you are addressing the root causes of foot issues: acidity, bacteria, dead skin, and moisture. You are treating your feet with the respect they deserve. However, a very important podiatry alert. If you have diabetes, your foot care rules are different. You may have reduced sensation, neuropathy, and poor circulation. You should never use hot water, use lukewarm, never use sharp tools, and be very gentle with exfoliation to avoid creating wounds that don't heal. Always consult your doctor before trying new foot treatments if you are diabetic. For everyone else, I challenge you. Try the zero-gravity soak tonight. Give your feet 20 minutes of love. You will sleep better, and you will walk lighter tomorrow. If this video saved you a trip to the pharmacy, please like and subscribe. Share this with a friend who complains about their feet. Let's walk towards health together.